In the name of Allah, the most merciful and almighty. Hello dear student, this is me Abdul Basit, your English teacher. Welcome to my channel Al Basit Academy. I will upload videos on all grammatical topics with the help of your support. Before starting this video, I requested you to subscribe my channel. Dear students, today's lesson is on vowels. Okay, so letters. We have 26 letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. The alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are 26 letters. 26 letters. We have 5 vowel sounds and 21 consonant sounds. We have 5 vowel sounds and 26 consonant sounds. We have 5 vowel sounds, but the 5 vowel sounds we have 20 sounds of 5 vowel sounds, and we have 44 sounds of 26 letters. Letter Y may be either a vowel or a consonant depending upon its position in a word. So these are the vowel sounds: A, E, I, O, and U, and sometimes Y as well. The letter Y may be either a vowel or a consonant depending upon its position in a word. Vowels and their sounds. Short vowels sounds: egg, income, orange, umbrella. Long vowel sounds: acorn, equal, iron, open, uniform. We have the short vowel sound, like you will pronounce shortly. For example, ant, egg, income, orange, umbrella. Long vowel sounds mean that these are the vowels. These are vowel sounds, so you will pronounce as a long. Like for example, acorn, equal, iron, open, uniform. This is very basic video, and inshallah I will be making another video on the vowels. It will be basic to advanced, and that video I will be show you that what's the difference between short and long vowel sounds, and how we know that these are short vowel sounds and these are long vowels. Some words are spelled exactly as they sound: dog, kid, he. Some words do not sound as they are spelled. This is was and love. Was, love.